naman po kilala niyo ako na from ARC to KPMG to RCVP. Rizel po from HR. I don't have children. I don't really have a big family. So every day I'm trying to find a reason to wake up, to have a very meaningful life. So I feel like here with Harry and with Miss Fair supporting and trusting me, I feel like I have found something a reason to wake up, kumbaga, every morning. Walang tatapat at hindi kayang pantayan ang samahan ng Hari. Yan ay napatunayan natin in 23 years, diba? Kasi sabi ko, ano kaya yung 23 checklist ko to represent Hari? And then second is that kahit kung may kanta ngayon, dapat kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, Hari pa rin ako. For September, October, November, and December para iangat ang antas ng ating pag-iisip, pagdedesisyon. It will help us for sure face the challenges of competition and face the way we think and the way we empower ourselves.